Israel is a small country located in the Middle East with a population of approximately 9 million people. Despite its small size, Israel has a highly advanced military and defense industry and is widely regarded as having one of the most powerful and effective militaries in the world. We will show you the best that Israel could offer now, and let's wait until the end of video, where we will show the core of whole Israel army. 1. Iron Dome Missile Defense System. The Iron Dome is a mobile air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. It is designed to intercept and destroy incoming rockets and missiles, and has been used successfully by the Israeli military to defend against attacks from Gaza and other neighboring countries. Two. MERKAVA Main Battle Tank. The MERKAVA is a main battle tank of 5th generation that was developed by the Israeli Defense Forces. It is known for its advanced armor protection and its ability to operate in urban environments. MERKAVA stands for the sides of the best world tanks ever. Three. Spike Anti-Tank Missile. A fire-and-forget anti-tank missile 4th generation system developed and produced by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, a major Israeli defense contractor. It is able to effectively eliminate the target up to 8 kilometers distance. This anti-tank system are used in more than 40 countries across the world. 4. Tavor Assault Rifle. The Tavor is a bullpup-style assault rifle that was designed and produced by Israel Weapon Industries, IWI. It has become the standard infantry weapon of the Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, and is widely used by Israeli soldiers. Iron Beam is an advanced mobile air defense system under Rafael Advanced Defense Systems that uses a high-power laser to intercept and destroy aerial threats. Its solid-state laser technology enables quick reaction times and high accuracy, making it effective against both short and long-range targets. Iron Beam's mobility and flexibility make it an ideal solution for protecting critical assets and civilian areas from aerial threats. The main advantage is that the laser is extremely cheap, around $3.5 per shot. 6. Heron Drone, a medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that was developed by Israel Aerospace Industries and is used by the IDF for intelligence gathering and reconnaissance missions. And as promised, the core of whole army is IDF. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, is known for its highly skilled soldiers, advanced technology and innovative defense strategies. What sets the IDF apart is that women also serve in combat roles, making up around 30% of the total number of soldiers. This progressive approach has been praised for providing women with opportunities to serve their country and gain valuable skills and experience. You can find IDF forces all around the world accomplishing the hardest military operations at all.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click below to subscribe button, hit the bell and get more content like this every week.